how to do basic knee rocks in a circle. Before attempting this step, make sure you understand how to do basic knee rocks left to right. Then step 1, turning to your right, jump and place your knees on the ground. Step 2, switch hands. Step 3, jump to your feet facing the back. Boom. Switch hands, repeat this process. Knees facing now the left, switch hands, feet to the front. Notice that as you go through this process, you're gonna start to face 4 different directions. Front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side, front. Lastly, consider your arms as you stop, and just like the other step, make sure that you actually stop. Practice this until you're comfortable and then get creative with it. For more help with the dancing, make sure you subscribe to me on YouTube and Patreon.